Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the LATT Disinfectant Dispenser, or it is a standing device with floor stand. It is a non-contact dispenser. It is portable, and you can use alcohol in it, for example. Mist spray dispenser, automatic standing accessory with 1000 milliliter of delicious tank for all liquids which you're going to top up with. The height is adjustable. You can use soap for it, you can disinfectant use, you can use alcohol as you like. It is a dispenser and separator. The base diameter are 12.6 inches. This station stand is made of durable stainless steel and it is powder-coated exterior, rust-proof, corrosion-resistant and durable. The stand is equipped with a stainless steel reinforced base. The hand disinfectant dispenser is really awesome for all areas as you like to use it. Intelligent, completely non-contact design that can be used quickly without touching the machine. And we have a large capacity of 1 liter for liquid. It can be used for a long time and used with liquid too. For example, as hand disinfectant appellants. It has a portable floor stand, freestanding telescopic lifting stand. It's easy to adjust to the appropriated height of 64 centimeters up to 117 centimeters. It's ideal for high traffic areas such as lobbies, restaurants, schools, universities, and hospitals. It is a disinfection column. You can use it mobile, because you can get the energy inside of this machine. The power supply is with 4C batteries, batteries. Okay, of course you can use a wired connection too, but this you have buy separately, the batteries and the AC power supply. The dimensions of the stand are 15 inches, the round base, to 32 inches in the height. The base placed on the floor is more stable and does not shake or tilt. The entire holder is painted white, which is more generous and elegant. It is a disinfectant dispenser in standing version. It's ideal for really high traffic areas, office buildings, schools, retail stores, cafeterias, clinics, hospitals, and more. Of course, you can use it private too if you like. You enter a clean environment and reduce the spread of germs by providing your employees and guests with easy access to hand disinfectants. It's really easy and it's good. Because in that times we are living now, it is so important to disinfect the hands often. It is a hand sanitizer dispenser floor stand kit. The air outlet type is spray, or you use the other outlet pumps for it. Then you can do a foam option or a dip option. The materials are, it is made of ABS and metal. The color is white. The base height adjustment is 49.6 inches up to 62.2 inches. That's awesome. The bracket diameter is 12.6 inches. The soap dispenser capacity is 1000 milliliter. And if you like to operate it mobile, you will need 4 times of the batteries or an AC adapter. It's practical and hygienic. Simply place our hand under the sensor to start the soap dispenser without touching the soap dispenser to effectively avoid cross-infection. Or you dip in another liquid like the really good old, oh yeah, disinfectant liquid in it. It's awesome for office. restaurants, hospitals, medical institutions, school, public places, and you will get a floor standard installation kit, an hand disinfectant dispenser with a built-in spray nozzle. Of course, you can choose or change the spray nozzle to a dip or a foam nozzle. It is included too. An ID sticker, a drip nozzle, a foam nozzle, a hand disinfectant dispenser. Oh yeah, and an installation package for the soap dispenser. That's awesome, isn't it? Do not install it on the surface of a mirror or under strong light. Otherwise, the infrared sensor will be damaged by reflection and strong light. Do not install it into the shower room. This is not a waterproof product. If you use the dispenser for the first time, please operate it several times to suck the air out of it. And the battery indicator, the LED indicator, flash quickly to remind us to replace the battery if they are going to empty. And if you go to have maintenance, clean the outlet regularly to avoid locking. Fill it with warm water and operate it several times. And if you are going to change between soap and disinfectant or other liquids, you have to clean first the tank before you fill in the other liquid. All products are tested with water before leaving the factory. It should be so that there comes out a little bit water if you start using that product. It is really easy to attach this awesome LATT Disinfectant Dispenser Standing appliance with Floor Stand, and it is a non-contact dispenser, and we will now attach it. Let's go! Let's start to assemble this awesome appliance, as you can see. But it is not a long journey to it. So let's start. We will start with the good old floor stand. And of course, with the big tube. This is the middle part of it. First step is here. It is a bolt. This bolt is tools-free to attach. That's really smart. It's a really smart solution to get this under it. First step is you get the bolt through the floor stand. Then we have to attach the middle part of the pinions onto it. Rotate clockwise until you tighten it easily, as you can see. Then we are finished with the floor stand, with the root of this device is now ready to use. You can make a little bit workout with it, as you can see, because it is a little bit heavy. But this is important to get a tilt-free stand on the ground. Good job, men and women. Next step is we're going to attach the hub and the front plate on it. For this we are using 3 screws, and each screw needs a contour nut on it. The contour nut will come to the back side of the pinions, and the screw comes from the front side through it. Job's done. But you have to attach 3 of them, and of course you have to tighten the screws immediately. The next step is we are going to remove the drip or foam or spray nozzle out of the pinions, because behind the tank we have 3 holes, and these holes are for our screws. There are 3 other screws. These screws are a little bit longer than the other screws which we are used before, and we have their nuts too for attaching. So now let's start to attach this on the center of the center hole in it, and then we are going to use the upper right and upper left holes on the pinions itself to attach it onto the front plate. Only it's really easy, as you can see. Dip in the bolt On the opposite side, on the other side, you're going to place the nuts to hold the whole system in position. That's really easy, as you can see. You can handle this too. If this guy here can handle this, you can handle this really good and better. The next step is we're going to attach the bumper. The bumper is that the pillions is not smashes all day long on the front plate. So attach it by using the tape for it. Easy, as you can see. Job's done. Now it's better to open and close this pillions itself. So now we can get back the good old pillions back in position. Of course, you can use or choose the drip nozzle, the foam nozzle, or the spray nozzle for it. And then there's only one step. Then we are finished. The attachment here is to make a rendezvous with these two parts of it. We're using the big bolt and get this big bolt onto the main tube. Then we are attaching this and tighten the screw. Then we are ready with attaching or assembling this LATT Disinfectant Dispenser. Awesome, isn't it? Yes, it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.